So now we will see the course outcomes. Okay. So at the end of the course, this graphics design and modeling, students should be able to identify AutoCAD 2D commands. So here AutoCAD is a software, okay, CAD package. CAD is nothing but your computer aided design. Okay. So we can write the full form of CAD. You can note down also computer aided design. It means we will use computer to design something, okay, to draw some component. Okay, so there are many CAD components available in the market. If we will name some of them, so the fundamentals of any CAD package starts with your software called as AutoCAD. So it is, you can say, the mother of all the AutoCAD softwares. Okay, so I will write it AutoCAD that we are going to use. Okay, so second is your CATIA. These are advanced softwares. uh, this is AutoCAD is company make of Autodesk. Okay, whereas your CATIA is of Dassault system. There is other product of Dassault system, that is SolidWorks. And there are other softwares like NX. There are so many softwares available in the market. Okay, if I'll name any other software, Creo is there. It is by your PTC softwares. So Creo. Okay, so in this course we will be using your AutoCAD software. Okay, so in AutoCAD, again, as I have told you, we have 2D commands as well as 3D commands. So we will start with basic 2D commands. So the first course outcome is your identify AutoCAD 2D commands and projections. Okay, what is projection? That we will see in a separate video. What is projection? What is the meaning of projection? What is the importance of projection? Why do we need this? Okay, we all study this in the later classes. No need to worry. Okay, after this, we will apply various AutoCAD 3D commands. Okay, we will start with 2 dimension and then we will move on to your 3D commands. If suppose you have to draw some 3D component, like if you want to model any chair, okay, or any table, or any apartment you want to design for civil engineers. Okay, for mechanical engineers, they can draw pulley, okay, or any machine components. Suppose any computer engineer or electronics engineer have to design some circuit board. Okay, they can design any, suppose, new object they want to design, or any new product. So suppose a new CPU, a software engineer or computer engineer wants to design a new CPU completely different. Okay, so he can design it in this using this 3D commands of the AutoCAD. Okay, so in 3D commands, we have Boolean operations also. What is this Boolean operation? I will tell you when I will be teaching you 3D commands. Okay, so you will be able to see this 2D commands. You will be able to see this 3D commands and the Boolean operation in AutoCAD. Okay, next, your course outcome is construct simple mechanical components like pulley, spring with AutoCAD. Okay, simple components. Why I have used pulley and spring? Because they are going to utilize your all basic commands that can be useful for designing any components. Okay, so that's why we are going with this pulley and spring. You can design other components also, that will be that you can use when you will be doing your project work. Okay, so this is your third course outcome, in which you are going to design some mechanical components like pulley and spring in your AutoCAD. Okay, your fourth course outcome is differentiate between your orthographic projection and isometric projection. Okay, these are two different type of projections. Orthographic projection, what is orthographic projection? as I have told you earlier in the introduction classes, suppose you are having any component, a 3D component. Suppose now I have this mobile phone in my hand. So how it will look when I will see it from the front, how it will look when I see it from the top, it left and right. So when I will draw the front view, top view, and the side views of this component on your paper in 2 dimension, that is called as its orthographic projection. Okay, and when I will draw this component in a 3D view, it seems to be a three-dimensional object, that it will be your isometric projection of the object. Okay, so this is your course outcome number 4. Now course outcome number 5, evaluate projections of solid in various position. Okay, so there will be some different solids here. It is mentioned solid, it can be your prism, or it can be your pyramid. Okay, so uh, what are prisms, what are pyramids, we will see in detail in this your course outcome, and what will be its projections in different positions, that will be your course outcome number 5. So this is all about your course outcomes that we will see. Okay.